My name is Rick Taggett. I'm the welding instructor at Northern Maine Community College. Welding is a hands-on craft, so the classes here at NMCC focus on working in the shop and developing the skills to master that craft. The welding shop and equipment in the welding shop at NMCC is up to date and very similar to the equipment being used in industry today, which is a real important factor for students that are going to transition to a job site and be familiar with the equipment that they're going to have on that site. So graduates of the welding program at Northern Maine Community College will have multiple job opportunities. The most obvious one being a welder, but there are other opportunities such as a ship fitter, a pipe fitter, machinist. With additional training, you can go on to do underwater welding, machine-operated welding, and even open your own business. To be successful in welding, students should be well organized and detail-oriented. There are lots of job opportunities in the welding world, multiple different positions. The American Welding Society predicts that by 2022 there'll be a shortage of 252,000 welders in the workforce in the United States. Welding can be a very lucrative profession, and it's a trade that's always in demand. You know, welding is involved in almost everything that you see in front of you. The silverware that you use to eat with, the car that you drive, the bridge that you drive over, the building that we're standing in, welding was involved in all of that. At NMCC, you can be in and out of the welding program in 9 months and have a career that'll last you a lifetime.